I was practicing my soldering skills to put together one of these little kits. This is the FM radio. And yeah, the soldering iron I have, it's a 35-watt unit. The heat is not a problem, but the tip that is just catastrophic. Catastrophe. It's I don't have a proper tip. There's no other way to put it, so I'll have to do it with this one. This is a classic transformer based soldering iron. I have two tips here, two replacement tips ready to go if I burn it out. And yeah, this will be an adventure because this radio requires like 100 solder points. So yeah, that will be fun. And I also have to look up some schematics for it. If not everything is clear, then yeah, it will be kind of hard. But let's get started. Let's see what we have here in the bag. Yeah, okay, okay. Nothing more inside. And oh boy, I'll have to do a lot of cutting too. These are diodes that are that all have the full length of the legs, even the caps. Oh boy. Yeah, this is for I don't know what. Phone. Seek. Phone? What the heck is a phone? Oh, it's the this one. The jack. Oh, and here is a little R1, R2, 10K, 3, 4, 10K. Capacitor 4 is 33. Capacitor 3, 5, 104. C1 and C2 is 100. What? So, oh, this is 104. Am I seeing that correctly? Yeah, this is 104, but you can barely see it because it's all mushed, probably from transport. So this is 104, and this one is 33. Okay, we're making progress here. So these are 100 microfarads. You can see. Oh, 10 volts. Okay, these are identical, these two. That's progress. So let's see further. The LED, that's easy to install. We have one more resistor here. I mean, yeah, we have 5 resistors. Like one. So these are probably all identical, if I see the code correctly. So we can deduce which one they are. I don't know the color codes. So these are 4 identical ones. Which, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are 10K. And where's the other? There needs to be another resistor. Volume, power switch, volume, seek, LED, power. So here it gets the power. These are the diodes, probably. L1. That's probably the... Wait, that's supposed to be a winding. I think. Isn't that the symbol for winding? Maybe we don't need that. Yeah, but where do I put the quartz? R1, power switch, yeah. Where does the quartz go? Somewhere near the chip, usually. C4, C3. This is the quartz. L1, 100 UH. Is that right? That doesn't say anything. There's nothing on it. No writing at all. Yeah, it may have had some writing, but it wiped off. I don't see anything. Do you? I mean, it's just shiny. Yeah, there is something, but I can't make it out. So this must be the quartz that goes there. Yeah, I need to look up. Somebody already built it on the website. Let me just check. Oh, see, no, that's a resistor. L1 is a resistor. Yes, it's a resistor, and the quartz goes to AV. Here, AV2E. Y1. That's where the guy installed it. And the capacitor here. So yeah, I have a picture of it. That's nice. Okay, so let's get soldering. I think I leave the buttons and the jack for last. First I have to solder in probably the chip. Oh boy, there's some problem here. I'm not seeing correctly. Let's just open the... Come on. Yeah. Yeah. The page is loading really slow. I don't understand that. In today's with today. Oh yeah, I got a big picture. Oh, that's nice. That's so nice. I got a big picture on the screen. So yeah, now I can do it. The one thing I don't see is the LED's direction. But if I remember correctly from all my days of soldering, the small part is positive. You can see the LED has a bigger part inside and the smaller part, divided by a small crack. And that should be the positive. Or the longer pin or whatever. I think they have many markings, many different markings, but I can also check if I find my multimeter in diode mode. You check it, and when it lights up slightly, then it's in that direction, but I have no idea where I put it. Oh boy, that's a fail. I don't know where my multimeter is. So yeah, that is a problem, but not a huge one. This project will probably be several videos glued together. So yeah, let's get this slightly more optimized. This arm, I will hold the PCB here, I think, at least from time to time. Come on. Oh, this is upside down. Oh boy, I wasn't prepared. So this is upside down, and this is in the wrong place, and this needs to come out here like that to hold the board. Man, this is crappy. I don't know who invented that. But yeah, here we go. Let's start soldering the the chip first. So, hex 30 I don't know what, that's supposed to be like this. And because I'm an amateur, I will just start soldering like this. Can you imagine? Can you imagine what I'm going to do here? Can you see it? What a noob does? Maybe let's try and lower the camera. Can we? Like that. You don't want to see what my stand looks like. That's kind of stupid. But yeah, I can even zoom in a bit. Like that. So you can see. Man, I can see better on the camera. I mean on the phone. That's nice. So, sorry for the wobbling. Yeah, now it's there. I don't need the magnifier. So I think I can start doing it like that. Is it in straight? Solder one leg first. Or how do you do this? You go from inside out? How is it best? Yep, I blew it. The first try is a fail. Because that's not how you're supposed to do it. I had too much solder on. Oh boy. So, yeah. That's bad. But, yeah, so I have to do it sideways. That's a bit harder because I don't have the position for that. But I can bend the tip slightly. Like that, maybe. I can't really reach. But that's generally how I'm supposed to do it. Like that, and get one leg at once. Man, if I had steadier hands. Yeah, so this is not how you do it. With a proper soldering iron, you heat up the whole PCB and just spray some flux and everything there, and you solder everything at once. But yeah, now I'm just learning. This is my first kit. Maybe I have to raise this stupid stand a bit. Again, two legs. That's such a fail. Oh man. So when you fail, you heat it up and throw it on the table. So the solder falls off. That's an old trick. But yeah, this won't work like this. I need to change positions, like increase the height of this stand so I can reach it with the soldering iron, because this has a bulky or maybe I can move the table forward. Yeah, so to get a better angle here, because that is not good what I just did here. That's amateur hour. I should hold this and then my hand is in the air. That's not good. So yeah, that's kind of okay. But with such big blobs, I can't reach all the pins. So I need to fine tune this. Put some solder on. Solder some other pins. Yeah, so that's more appropriate. That's how it should look. So let's get the solder from this. Like that, okay. And let's monitor the solder level. Can I put a solder between those two? Oh boy, and man, this is not ideal what I'm doing here. This is not good at all. Because I don't know how to do it better. This soldering iron is really heavy, like half a kilogram or even 1 kilogram. Oh boy, I have to measure it. And yeah, this is not working for such small chips with many legs. This is a nightmare. So let me just bend the tip a little more to reach. Which one did I didn't solder? This one. Okay, a little less solder. On this one. I'm not doing it 100% properly, but here I think it doesn't matter. Oh boy. I'll have to correct that later. I want to go through them all and then correct any touching pins. That's not good. Now it's good. Oh boy. You didn't even see it because I slid it away. Okay, so here we have two pins touching. And let me clean off the tip. And let me see if I can fix that with some careful maneuvering. Like nope. Do I have something that resembles a wick? I need basically a wire with multi-strand wire. Any multi-strand wire. Like one of these from a power supply. Yeah, just heat it up, put it there, and take out the solder. Okay, that looks that looks perfect. I don't know if you notice it, but those two pins look the best. Okay, so I will go through. This is how I learn. So I can use the wick even with this soldering iron. That's news for me, because I usually see the people use it with the resistive, what do you call it? Soldering iron. That has a huge round tip, and yeah, that's slightly different than what I'm using. That's always hot. This one only gets hot when I press the button. Okay. The main point here is to touch the pad and the chip's leg at once. Heat them both up. Okay. Oh! What? the LED went away. Why? This is strange. Do I have a light that I can use instead? Why did the light go out? It disappeared from the... Oh boy. That's not great. I don't know why that happened. The recording is continuing. And... Oh boy. This is a mess. I can kind of see. But yeah, after soldering this chip, I will try to fix the lighting situation to see what happened. So yeah, when I'm done, I'm going to use a wick probably to clear these excesses of solder. Yeah. So yeah, this is done. This is the last leg, and I declare it done. And I have to see the lighting situation. I'll have to make another video.